Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create these trending images all over the internet. I'm going to actually walk you through how to create this for free. You don't need any technique or any special skill to do this. I'll show you everything step by step with no step skip. It's easy to do this, and we are going to use free AI tool. I will show you at the end of this video how you can actually monetize and start making some money using this particular tool. So let's jump right into this. Now, if you go on YouTube, there are people using these particular images to make some money. This channel over here, right here, Hot African Tales, actually started just about some 6 months, and then this video over here, just about 3 months, it's already having over 5 million views. And if you go to Social Blade is saying this channel is making between $259 to $4,000 a month just by creating this video. You can see they had over 1 million views. A channel that is actually 6 months is making this. You can equally do this, and I'm going to walk you through how to do that. This channel is also doing similar thing. Tales are done is also doing that. So this video is just about 6 months and almost close to about 2 million views. And if you check their Social Blade account, they're also doing something very decent. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to do this. Remember to stay tuned, and at the end of the video I'll show you some tools you need in order to start monetizing your AI images. So what tool we're going to use? The tool is actually called Microsoft Designer, and it's free for you to use. So just go on Google and then type in Microsoft Designer and then open this particular link. So you can see designer.microsoft.com. So open that link. Now it's going to take you to this page, but remember you first need to sign up. You need to sign up and have Microsoft account. It's free to have a Microsoft account. So just create a new account with your Gmail or your email and then create that, and then it's going to take you to this page. When you log in, this is actually where we're going to do everything. This is where we're going to have the fun. So you can see if you scroll down, we have get started with generative AI. There are so many other things over here that I'll be talking about in subsequent videos. Okay, there are videos I'll be working on specifically AI, and then there's a lot you can do with this too, but today I want to focus on this particular one, image creator. This is where we're going to generate our images. So just open this. So when you open this, you can see there are some images already generated with this tool, which shows how powerful this tool is. You can do amazing stuff with this tool. So all we need to do is to describe the image we want to generate. Just describe the image. I have some few prompts over here, and surely I'm going to leave it at the description for you to also copy and then follow along. So if you paste this description, I'm just saying generate image of a black woman cooking with firewood with a pot of banku. So banku is a local dish in Ghana, and then with some firewood in a village setting. So with fire in a village setting. So this is actually what I want, and I'll click on generate. So you can see it took some time, and then I got this image. So I said village setting, so it actually gave me about 4 different images. I can just click on this and it has some full screen view of this. So you can see this is amazing. You can just scroll through this and you can see different images of what actually you are looking for. Whatever image you want to use, you can just click on the download button here and then click on download. So it's going to download that to your PC, and then you can scroll through like that. So you can actually download this to your PC. It's all depend on the kind of image you want. You just have to describe that image to this AI tool, and it's going to do that for you. Now I'm going to copy another prompt. I have another prompt here. I'm going to just use this prompt, and then what I want to do right now is to change this prompt. So this prompt is about to generate image. It's about generating image of a black village boy running after fowls, trying to catch them in a village setting. So I'm just going to click on generate. So you can see I've actually had this as well. So this AI actually generated some images for me regarding my search results. So it's actually chasing after the fowls, trying to catch them. So I have this image generated by this AI tool. You can go on and generate several images, and after that you can actually monetize that, which I'll show you at the end of this video. So you can see I have similar images also. I can actually download them. So you can download all this, and then at the end of the video you will see how you can actually monetize this and then start making some money. So now look at this. I have these amazing images. You can go on and keep searching for several images using the prompt available to you, or using the prompt just give some descriptive text, and then based on that this AI tool is going to give you amazing images. So basically, this is the concept how to generate the images. Once you generate that image, you can watch my video. I've created a video recently on my channel. I'm going to put a link at the description, which says create AI animated story video for free. So this particular one will allow you to create these AI videos just as you have on this channel. All you need to do is to use ChatGPT to create the story. So ChatGPT will help you to create that story, and then also you can use a platform like Canva to do your videos. Okay, once that is done, you can come back and then upload it on your YouTube channel, and then you can start monetizing this. So watching this video will help you a lot. So the link will be at the description. Watch this video and then I'll show you everything in it. Everything there will show you step-by-step guide how you can basically generate your image, make it in a video form, and then put the voiceover, and you can do a lot. If you need anything further, let me know at the description of this video, and I'll be ready to help and guide you and support you to also start making some money on YouTube. Till I come away again, bye bye.